welcome back to my channel. So today I have another lens review for you. Today I am reviewing OTAKU lens. I think that's how you pronounce it, I'm not too sure, but I will list their Instagram handle down below because that's how I discovered them. And they had such beautiful lenses and I was able to connect with them to partner with them for this review video. But before we get into that, if this is your first time, hi, my name is Nadia, and a fun fact about me is I actually enjoy switching up my eye color from time to time. I love my brown eyes most, for sure, but just the same way as I like switching up my hair color or my haircut or putting in different earrings or nose ring, I like switching up my eye color and popping in different contacts to see what I look like and playing with different makeup looks. So, with that said, let's get into this review. This is my first time trying out OTAKU lenses. Again, I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. I feel like I'm pronouncing it wrong, and sorry if I am. So they sent me a couple of colors. I have the Billionaire Beauties, some of those I believe, and a couple of their other brands. So let me go ahead and pull these out. So the ones I have on right now are the Smokey Greyyen, and those were, the OTAKU color contact lenses Yen Japni. The Smokey Greyyen, I don't know what specific collection that was a part of again, but because I took it out of the box already. And just to let you know, they come in little small cases like this, just like this. Inside the boxes, they're contact cases like this. You just peel the label back and the contact is in there individually. I love cases like this because I hate it when you get contact lenses that are in that little glass bottle and you have to peel the metal back, because I'm always so scared to peel it back, so I'm always afraid I'm gonna cut myself, which I have done in the past. So I appreciate this kind of packaging. And I think the little boxes are super cute. So I have the Smokey Greyyen right now in my eyes, and I did a first impressions capture on some footage on my iPhone. So I'm gonna go ahead and play that for you guys right now so you can see what my first impression was. Okay, I just had to come on and give you my first impressions. I'm putting it on, I just put these contacts on right now, the Smokey Greyyen, and I felt them in my hand and I was like, oh my God, is this gonna be uncomfortable because they felt a little thick? And then as soon as I popped them into my eye, they felt completely comfortable. And I don't think I've ever had a pair of colored contacts that felt as comfortable as my regular prescription contacts. Like, I don't feel like I don't feel them on right now at all, and it doesn't feel like drying or something's in my eye. I didn't have any trouble or anything. Like, literally pop them in, simple, quick, and fast, and no issues, no redness, no tearing, no nothing. I am really impressed right now. So this is my first impression. Let's see what happens the rest of the day. I'm gonna go and wear these out for like probably a few hours, and I will check in back to let you guys know how it's going. But my God, the pigment of these are gorgeous. I do notice that they don't sit perfectly around my eye. I think just because I just popped them in and I just gotta maybe move them around a little bit. Now I'm outside and this is what it looks like. Okay, so it's been like about 6 hours now, a little over 6 hours maybe, and they still feel pretty great. I do feel a little bit of dryness, but nothing different from my normal contact lenses. They're not prescription, so I do have to wear glasses with them if I do want to like see, and I don't have that bad vision, so I can go without them as well. But I really like these lenses, and I have to test out the rest of the colors to see how I look in all of them and see which one I prefer. But the way that this is sitting in my eye, the way that it feels great, it feels comfortable, and it's lasted 6 hours without any issues. I can imagine myself lasting for at least 10 hours in the day. I'm about to take them off because I've been like exhausted running around. Today has been a crazy day, but we're not gonna get into that because this is just a review. But I just wanted to show you guys the longevity and let you know how it feels throughout the day. Yeah, I still feel pretty great, and I can like look at this. It still looks really great too. And I mean, there's some slight redness in my eye. That's just because I'm tired, but my eyes are like normally like this by the end of the day. But when I have contacts that are pretty drying, my eyes are like just shot and like they're tired and they hurt from me, you know, wearing them, or like the inside of my lids get like irritated. No issues and no complaints here. So I cannot wait to test out all the other colors and show you guys what they look like. So I'm editing the review video here, and I just realized I forgot to show you before of what my natural eyes look like. I have the darkest brown eyes you could possibly ever have. So this speaks volumes about the colored contacts that I'm reviewing, because they show up against these dark brown eyes. So yeah, that was my first impression, and as you can see, I wore it out pretty much for the day, had no issues, and I'm just still so shocked by, one, the pigment and how beautiful they look and how they feel. I don't think I've ever owned a pair of colored contacts that sat in my eyes like this, as comfortable as they are. Like, it's ridiculous, it's beyond me. And so yeah, I have the Smokey Greyyen right now. I have the Honeymoon Ocean. I also have the Brown Sugar. I have their Lover Cloud, which the Smokey Greyyen and the Lover Cloud I noticed were the most popular colors. I also have Desire Honey. I've been looking for like really light brown shades, and so it was really cool that they sent over the Desire Honey and Brown Sugar, because I really just want something that's super subtle. Besides being these bright, beautiful ones too, I want something subtle. Okay, and the last color that I got in here is Romantic Green. So I'm gonna go ahead and try on all these colors for you today so that you guys can see the different shades and what they look like, in case you were interested in getting your own pair. So these are the sugar brown ones, which I really love because they're super subtle, and that's kind of like the color I've been looking for, to have like the daily go-to color if I wanted to wear something regular, that was super subtle enough and just brightened my brown eyes. Hey, here's what the brown sugar looks like on the phone. And show you guys what it looks like in regular light. Regular fluorescent light. Okay. Oh my gosh, guys, this is the Lover Cloud, and it is such a freaking gorgeous color. Like, I see why people love it so much. Like, how piercing and beautiful is this color? I can't stop staring at myself on my phone to see what it looks like. It looks so good. Okay, and this is the Lover Cloud. So beautiful. I see why everyone loves this color. And a quick little peek into the darker light to see what it looks like. Still really pigmented. Still pretty bright. Like, how pretty is that? Sorry if my makeup is getting smudged now, because I'm like going in and out of my eyes changing these colors, but it's super opaque, super beautiful. I love it so much. It is so gorgeous. What do you guys think? So, another feedback is, for most of these, I have not seen a ring around my eyes, you know, that blurred kind of color. I do see it on these though, and I think that's just because right now I'm standing in front of all these lights, and since it's a lighter color, I feel like the lighter color is bouncing off the lights a little bit more. So I'm wondering how this would feel and like how I would see through them during the daytime or a bright sunny day outside. But I don't care because it's so beautiful. I love this color. Okay, here is Desire Honey, and oh my gosh, I love these. These might be my favorite so far, because like I said, I wanted something that was brown but subtle. But these are, they're not as subtle as the other brown ones, but these have like a bit of more of a pop to them. Okay, these are the Desire Honey, and I really like these. I feel like these are the colors I've been looking for forever. I want something that was subtle, but still bright enough, and like honey brown. Honey brown is my favorite color eye. Like, if I could have picked one besides my brown eyes, it's a honey brown eye. I just think it's so pretty. Yeah, I feel like these look really good too. Here's what it looks like in the dark. Romantic Green. I feel like they're the most natural looking ones on me because I feel like, I don't know, green just always looks really natural on me. Okay, these are the Romantic Green. I feel like these are the ones that look the most natural. I just feel like green contacts always look more natural on me than any other like colored contact. Okay, now I'm back with the Honeymoon Ocean, and oh my gosh, I thought I like saw all of the ones that I liked the most, and now I put this pair on and I'm like, oh, do I like these more? I didn't think I would like them because I know they're blue, and I feel like blue shades don't look so good on me, but this shade that they did, I don't know what they have, like magic that they did with these. They just look so good, and honestly, the camera doesn't do it justice. In person, they look fabulous. And like the lights, they definitely have like a bit of a glare and stuff like that. So in real life, seeing it in person, it looks so good. And the way that these pair are printed, they're very like just creamy looking, the colors. So they look super natural. Hey. Okay. These are the Honeymoon Ocean, and they are gorgeous. Like, now I can't decide which one I like the most. They're so pretty, and like the camera is really messing with them in real life. It looks so good. Yeah, like I think the light, the way that the camera is picking up the light messes up the color, because in real life it looks so good. I mean, it looks good on camera, but in person, it looks even better. What I also thought was great was that they sent in contact cases for each of the color of contacts that they sent over, along with a contacts applicator, which I've never gotten and I've never bought, and I don't think any contact lens company that I've worked with has ever sent me something over like that, and I tried it for the first time today, and it's actually pretty cool. But I still trust my fingers more than anything else. Okay guys, so that's pretty much it for this review. Just a quick recap. I've worn them out for the day, and they feel super comfortable. Putting them on right out of the cartridge, they feel really comfortable. They are a little bit bigger than the natural eye, so they do make your eyes look a little bit doe-eyed and bigger. The colors obviously work really good against my dark brown eyes, so these are the best color contacts for dark brown eyes that I've ever seen that feel this good and look this great. So hands down, these win in my book. I will link all the colors that I just reviewed down below so you can check them out and check the pricing out. All of that information will be listed down below. And if you guys had any questions about these contact lenses, be sure to leave your questions down below in the comment section, and I will get back to you guys. If you are not following me on Instagram, be sure to follow me there. I've been doing a lot of cool and crazy stuff. If you don't know yet, I launched a fanny pack line. I'm doing a new A to Z series. If you have no idea what the A to Z series are, I did one last year, I'm doing one this year. It's a whole series where I do editorial fashion shoots. And yeah, there's so much to it. Go check it out on Instagram because you're missing out if you don't. And I think I will share more about it here on YouTube once I get the chance to film all of it. And what else is going on? Oh yeah, I'm doing a show, a competition show for Brookout Media. Again, all that information is on Instagram, and you can come check it out. And if you guys have any questions about any of that, again, comment below and I can always answer that. And as always, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so that you get notifications every time I upload a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching again. I love you so much. And remember that you're absolutely beautiful. Bye. Mwah.